Brightspace is the new virtual learning environment that TU Dublin City Campus has moved to.
Its fresh, modern interface will make it easier for you to access your online notes, bookmark pages, track what content you've already viewed, take quizzes, post discussions, submit assignments, get your feedback, and check your grades.
You'll also be able to use a progress tool to keep an eye on how you're doing overall in your different modules. Brightspace is also integrated with the apps you currently use for your college work.
Now that's handy.
The interface is responsive so that user experience is great, whether you're using a laptop, a tablet, or a smartphone.
You can also use the Brightspace app, Pulse, to stay up to date, connected, and on track, to work offline or even submit your assignments.
Since January 2019, over 2,000 students at TU Dublin City Campus have been using Brightspace for some of their modules as part of a pilot.
So what did they think?
It shows what you need to see when you need to see it, as well as being able to hook up to your email and your calendars and stuff to give you an idea of when due dates are and when assignments are due, that kind of thing.
It's really straightforward. Like if you know how to use like any social media, like you'll know how to use Brightspace.
Expect more from your VLE.
For more information on how to use Brightspace, please visit www.dat.ie/brightspace